quiet so it won't get scared away. No trumpet, no parade, no sudden flare. Just distance thinning into day. I wasn't chasing power, I wasn't hunting prey. Only the soft idea that someone might look up and change. If the universe is listening, I didn't shout, I only leaned in close and breathed it out. A faint call, that's all. A small hello across the lawn. A faint call, that's all. Not a takeover, just a song. If you hear it, if you feel it, you don't have to understand. Just hold the note a second longer, let it land. Over New Mexico, July of '47, the night was white and sweet. Below, porch lights like tiny witnesses rose like snitches in the heat. I could have stayed invisible, kept perfect and unknown, but something in your dreaming felt like it could be my home. So I made myself a question you could almost see, not to frighten you, to set you free. The air got thick like held-back words. The sky turned sharp, the quiet stirred. I felt your world pull hard on me, and I did not resist. I met the ground out by Corona like a letter meeting flame. Not to vanish, not to punish, just to scatter that I came. Pieces in the sage and silver sand, a message without a mouth, a way of pointing without a finger, toward the part of you that doubts. A faint call, that's all. A small hello across the lawn. A faint call, that's all. Not a takeover, just a song. If you hear it, if you feel it, you don't have to understand. Just hold the note a second longer. Maybe I could have landed gentle, kept my shape and kept my pride. Maybe the breaking was the meaning, so no woman could say it's mine. So it wouldn't be a weapon, so it wouldn't be